Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll rationalize the numerators of these two expressions. Let's start with the first expression, square root of 5 plus 2 over 2 times square root of 5 minus 1. We have to rationalize the numerator expression, square root of 5 plus 2. We have to get rid of the square root. For that, we have to use the conjugate method. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator expression. Conjugate is an expression that has the same terms but opposite sign between the terms. So the conjugate of square root of 5 plus 2 is square root of 5 minus 2. We have to use the conjugate method to rationalize this numerator because this numerator has two terms that are being added. So we should multiply this numerator and denominator by square root of 5 minus 2. Next, we should distribute the terms in the numerator using the FOIL method. Square root 5 times square root 5 is square root of 25. Square root 5 times negative 2 is negative 2 square root 5. 2 times square root 5 is positive 2 square root 5. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. We can use the FOIL method in the denominator as well. 2 square root 5 times square root 5 is 2 square root 25. 2 square root 5 times negative 2 is negative 4 square root 5. Negative 1 times square root 5 is negative square root 5. And negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Next, we should combine the like terms in the numerator. Negative 2 square root 5 plus 2 square root 5 cancel each other out. Square root of 25 is 5. Now we can simplify the denominator expression. Square root of 25 is 5. Negative 4 square root 5 minus square root 5 is equal to minus 5 square root 5. Ten plus 2 is 12. This should be the final answer for the first expression. We have rationalized the numerator. Now we can analyze the second expression, square root of 16 plus h minus 4 over h. We have to rationalize the numerator. That means we have to get rid of the square root in the numerator. We have to use the conjugate method because the numerator expression has two terms in it. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate square root of 16 plus h plus 4. Next, we should distribute the terms in the numerator. We should use the FOIL method. square root of 16 plus h times square root of 16 plus h is equal to just 16 plus h. These square roots go away. Next, we should do square root of 16 plus h times positive 4. I get 4 square root of 16 plus h. Next, we should do negative 4 times square root of 16 plus h, which is equal to minus 4 square root of 16 plus h. Next, we should do negative 4 times positive 4, which is equal to negative 16. We should not change the expression in the denominator. We should keep it as it is. Now we can simplify the expression in the numerator. 4 square root 16 plus h minus 4 square root 16 plus h cancel each other out. 16 and negative 16 cancel each other out. We can cancel out the h's. This should be the final answer for this second expression. We have rationalized the numerator. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to rationalize the numerator of expressions like these. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.